Good morning. This is Daniel Desjardins, Chief Student Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today's date is Wednesday, June 19th, 2019. And now sunrise 5:04 a.m. and sunset 10:07 p.m. And today's weather, it will be rain with a high temperature of 10 degrees. And it feels like 7 degrees. And then the wind is actually coming from the northwest at 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 50 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity, 91%. And our pressure is falling to 100.6 kilopascals. And tonight it will be cloudy with showers with a low temperature of 9 degrees. Let's look at the 4-day weather forecast. Tomorrow's Thursday, light rain, high 15, low 11. And now on Friday, risk of thunderstorms, high 19, low 11. And then on Saturday, mainly sunny, high 20, low 11. And then on Sunday, a few showers, high 19, and the low 12. Up next is the almanac. Yesterday's high, 23 degrees. Yesterday's low, 14 degrees. The warmest temperature was in 1898 at 34.4 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature was in 1924 at 0.6 degrees Celsius. You can follow me at www.desjardinsweatherman.com. You can follow the Weather Network on your favorite app store. You can get your 4-day weather forecast. And thank you.